Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me the first dream Tomica I actually got, which is the Nissan GT-R Drivehead Fire Car. Well, usually I don't buy dream Tomica, but in this case, well, it's a Nissan GT-R, and I cannot pass on this, so yeah, it looks really nice from the box. I haven't opened it, and it's still sealed. And yeah, this is the first dream Tomica I actually have. So the top of the box is probably like some drive head logo or something. Well, anyway, here SP, and there is no number on the side. So anyway, let's just get right into this car, which I got from Japan, but only just recently, like this morning, came across it in one of my drawers. So here it is, just got the plastic off and opening the guy for the first time right here. And oh, there's a blue Tommy logo right there. And first looks of the Nissan GT-R. Well, pretty cool. Not as nice as what I see on the box, but hey, can't complain. It's probably the nicest dream Tomica I've ever seen, apart from the not for sale other version of the GT-R. So anyway, let's get into the proper review. So right here, for the front bumper, we have part of the base in, well, black or gray plastic, which extends below the metal casting. So the metal casting is this white bar right here, and, well, no front diffuser. Over here we have our front grille right here, and our air vent right here with the GT-R logo and the silver trim. We also got our front lights right here. These are plastic molds that are inserted in, not front light tampos, which is what Tomica likes to use nowadays. These kinds of lights, which I have no idea. Well, I mean, how to say this? Which I have no idea which one looks better, because they both kind of look the same. Just one's like fitted in and one's just printed on, so they both, well, have the same overall look, but for the GT-R, I guess I prefer these plastic lights. Well, onto the bonnet decoration right here, we have two air vents in the, well, center of the flames, I guess you could call it, because it is a fire car after all. So we have one beam of white right here, splitting up into a whole fire-like shape. So this looks really nice, surrounding the air vents right here, and symmetrical on both sides. Over on the windscreen, we have a printed Hyper Rescue sticker on the top. So this one is a sticker. Wait, well, it feels like a sticker on a white tampo. So I guess that one's too layered, because you can kind of feel the different layers in there. The black and the white seem to be on different layers. And from the side, we can see our chrome racing wheels with a good suspension. For the side detailing right here, we have a yellow stripe or orange stripe, which comes all the way from the front all the way to the middle of the door, where a white stripe that comes all the way from above the front bumper goes all the way and continues into a flame near the back. For the rear wheel, we also have the normal chrome racing wheel, and it seems just a little, well, this one seems the same size as the front wheel, because some newer Tomica cars, such as the new Lamborghinis, seem to have a larger rear wheel than the front wheel. So this one seems about the same size. And anyway, the doors open on this car, so you can see the black interior inside there. My camera will show it. And yeah, so the flames continue above the wheel arch right here, and then the petrol cap right there. On the rear of the car, we have the rear bumper with our dual exhaust pipe on each side, and then our black plastic bumper. Well, this one is, well, it's not actually plastic, it's just the paint that feels like plastic. This one is not part of the bumper, that's part of the die-cast actually, and we have our rear diffuser and exhaust pipes attached to this part. We also have some more flame prints on the back right here, one on each side, just below the rear lights. So instead of the rear lights being a plastic insert, these are rear light tampos in shiny metallic red. We also got the GT-R logo right there, and then the Nissan logo. We have a mini black spoiler right here, which looks pretty nice on this car because it contrasts the red and the white really well. Well, one thing about this car, which I don't really like, is the roof has no print, so it's pretty boring, I have to say, for the roof, because like the rest of the car is completely filled up with these fire prints, but the roof is just left completely empty. So maybe they should detail the roof on these kinds of cars. What do you think? Put that down in the comments whether this car would look nicer with detailing on the roof or not. So thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.